Hello student, now I am going to discuss about some MCQ question of pharmaceutical organic chemistry third PP401T, and this is for practice of seasonal examination. There are 40 question. So first question is, an alkane which can exhibit optical activity is option A neopentane, option B isopentane, option C 3-methylpentane, option D 3-methylhexane. So the answer is D 3-methylhexane. Question number 2. Which of the following is not true of enantiomer? They have the same. Option A boiling point, option B melting point, option C specific rotation, option D density. So the right answer is C specific rotation. Question number 3. A mixture of equal amount of two enantiomer dash. Option A is called a racemic mixture. Option B is optically inactive. Option C both A and B. Option D none of above. So the right answer is C both A and B. Question number 4. Which of the following can make difference in optical isomer? Option A heat, option B temperature, option C polarized light, option D pressure. So the right answer is C polarized light. Question number 5. Hexane and 3-methylpentane are example of option A enantiomer, option B stereoisomers, option C diastereomers, option D constitutional isomer. So the right option is D constitutional isomer. Question number 6. Identify the meaning of Latin term cis. Option A this side of, option B opposite side of, option C together, option D next side of. So the right option is A this side of. Question number 7. Stereoisomers that are superimposable on their mirror images even though they contain chiral centers are known as option A enantiomer, option B diastereomers, option C mesomers, option D racemic mixture. So the right answer is C mesomers. Question number 8. Identify the stable conformation of ethane. Option A Gauche, option B staggered, option C both A and B, option D none of above. So the right answer is option B staggered. Question number 9. Synthesis of a compound by a method that favors the formation of a specific enantiomer or diastereomer is known as asymmetric synthesis. Option A enantiomer selective synthesis, option B asymmetric synthesis, option C chiral synthesis, option D all of above. So the right answer is D all of above. Question number 10. Following are the furan containing drug except option A nitrofurantoin, option B furazolidine, option C ranitidine, option D furfurazoid. So the right answer is D furfurazoid. Question number 11. Following are fused heterocyclic ring except quinoline, option B indole, option C pyridine, option D benzimidazole. So the right answer is C pyridine. Question number 12. Pyrrole is dash reactive than benzene. Option A equal, option B low, option C high, option D none of the above. So the right answer is C high. Question number 13. Identify the 5-member heterocyclic ring with nitrogen as heteroatom. Option A pyrazole, option B thiophene, option C furan, option D all of above. So the right answer is A pyrrole. Question number 14. Which is wrong about optical isomerism? Option A. Optical rotation of plane polarized light can be determined by polarimeter. Option B. Clockwise rotation denotes by positive plus marks. Option C. Enantiomers are non-superimposable mirror image. Option D. Two chiral centers containing compound always shows optically active. So the right answer is D. Two chiral centers containing compound always shows optical activity. Question number 15. Which among the following correctly defines stereomers? Option A. These have same magnitude but different sign of optical rotation. B. Non-superimposable object-mirror relationship. Option C. These differ in all physical properties. Option D. Separation is very difficult. So the right answer is C. These differ in all physical properties. Question number 16. Which among the following define mesoforms of isomers? Option A. Mesoform is optically inactive due to external compensation. Option B. The molecules of the mesoisomers have chirality. Option D. It can be separated into optically active enantiomer pairs. Option D. It is a single compound and optically inactive due to internal compensation. So the right answer is D. It is a single compound and optically inactive due to internal compensation. Question number 17. Identify the chiral molecules among the following. Option A. Isopropyl alcohol. Option B. 2-pentanol. Option C. 1-bromo-3-butane. Option D. Isobutyl alcohol. So the right answer is B. 2-pentanol. Question number 18. Which heteroatom present in thiophene? Option A. Fluorine. Option B. Oxygen. Option C. Sulfur. Option D. Nitrogen. So the right answer is C. Sulfur. Question number 19. Which is the most stable conformer in N-butane? Option A. Fully eclipsed. Option B. Gauche. Option C. Partially eclipsed. Option D. Anti. So the right answer is D. Anti. Question number 20. Which is the most stable in C12H12 means cyclohexane? Option A. Chair. Option B. Board. Option C. Twisted board. Option C. Half chair. So the right answer is A. Chair. Question number 21. Which reagent is used for nitration of furan? Option A. Concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4. Option B. Acetic anhydride with HNO3. Option C. Nitrobenzene. Option D. Dilute HNO3 with benzene. So the right answer is B. Acetic anhydride with nitric acid. Question number 22. Which is the most unstable conformer in cyclohexane? Option A. Chair. Option B. Board. Option C. Twisted board. Option D. Half chair. So the right answer is D. Half chair. 23. Diastereomers found in option A. Optical isomers. Option B. Geometrical isomers. Option C. Both. Option D. None of above. So the right answer is C. Both optical isomers as well as geometrical isomers. Question number 24. Friedel-Crafts acylation of furan by using acetic anhydride is carried out in the presence of catalyst. Option A. AlCl3. Option B. FeCl3. Option C. Lithium aluminum hydride. Option D. BF3. So the right answer is D. Question number 25. Molecular formula of furan is C4H4O. Option B. C4H4OH. Option C. C4H8O. Option D. C4H2O. So the right answer is A. C4H4O. Question number 26. What is the name of the following reaction? Option A. Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Option B. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Option C. Planck's chloromethylation. Option D. Gatermann reaction. So the right answer is A. Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Question number 27. Thiophene having option A 8 pi electron, option B 4 pi electron, option C 6 pi electron, option D 10 pi electron. So the right answer is C 6 pi electron. Question number 28. Which of the following solvent is a heterocyclic compound? Option A DMSO, option B DMF, option C THF, option D none of above. So the right answer is C THF. Question number 29. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A, pyrrole has less aromatic character than furan. Option B, pyridine is isoelectromic with benzene. Option C, pyridine is tertiary amine. Option D, pyrrole is strong base. So the right answer is C, pyridine is tertiary amine. Question number 30. Bromination of furan occurs at temperature of option A 5 degree Celsius, option B 0 degree Celsius, option C 30 degree Celsius, option D 300 degree Celsius. So the right answer is B 0 degree Celsius. Question number 31. What is the correct order of reactivity? Most reactive first of pyrrole, furan and thiophene towards electrophile. Option A furan, then pyrrole, then thiophene. Option B, first pyrrole, then furan, then thiophene. Option C, furan, then thiophene, then pyrrole. Option D, thiophene and then pyrrole and less than furan. So the right answer is C, furan more than thiophene and thiophene more than pyrrole. Question number 32. Electrophilic substitution reaction in furan usually occurs at first, both the carbon 2 and carbon 3. Option B, the oxygen atom. Option C, the carbon atom, C2 atom, and option D, the C3 atom. So the right answer is C, at carbon 2 atom. Question number 33. Nitration of pyrrole is best carried out using option A acetyl nitrate, option B ammonium nitrate, option C concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4, option D HNO3. So the right answer is A, acetyl nitrate. Question number 34. Pyrrole is reduced by using zinc and acetic acid to get product. Option A 2-pyrroline, option B 3-pyrroline, option C pyrrolidine, option D all of the above. So the right answer is B, 3-pyrroline. Question number 35. Identify the given heterocyclic compound. Option A furan, option B pyrazole, option C pyrrole, option D pyridine. So the right answer is C, pyrrole. Question number 36. Atorvastatin drug used in CVS disease contain heterocyclic ring dash. Option A pyrazole, option B pyrrole, option C imidazole, option D purine. So the right answer is B, pyrrole. Question number 37. Ondansetron antiemetic drug contain heterocyclic ring dash. Option A thiophene, option B pyrrole, option C furan, option D pyrimidine. So the right answer is B, pyrrole. Question number 38. Which drug possesses pyrrole heterocyclic compound from the following? Option A captopril, option B linomycin, option C triprolidine, option D all of the above. So the right answer is D, all of the above. So PDF links are available in the description box. You can download PDF for the practice of these all questions to make your practice strong. So thank you for watching.